It's a thing of joy that we're doing here today, and we're grateful to God who brought Tayo and Bukky together. For several years, I've had the privilege of mentoring Tayo, and I remember, I think vividly, about 3 years ago or so, that he came into my office. One of the things that I also noticed was that a lot of his friends that I knew him with in church, they're all married. I used to have like mentoring hangout with them. And when I look through, maybe sometimes 8 of them, it's only Tayo that is single.
To you, our son, physically is fit, emotionally balanced, psychologically calm, educationally enlightened, financially buoyant.
Public announcement that Tayo and Bukky are now married. Completely, totally, absolutely, forever and ever in the name of Jesus.